Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to print a selection in Google Sheets so you only get the exact cells you want, saving paper and keeping your printout clean. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser, open your spreadsheet, and over here, I want you to highlight the range of cells you want to print. For example, over here, this is the only section I want to print, and include headers if you want them on your printout. Then click on File over here, the File menu, and you should be able to see the option Print at the bottom section, all right? Click on it. Google Sheets should automatically detect your selected cells as the print area. Now click on the print preview to adjust any settings like orientations, paper size, margins, scalings, and the grid lines to make sure it fits nicely on the page. Once done, you can click on Next to open your System Print dialog. Choose your printer or save as PDF. Verify all of your settings and click on Print over here to finalize everything. And that's it. Only your selected cells will be printed. Repeat the steps anytime you want to print a different section of your spreadsheet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.